Okay, so what are we working on today?
Hello, we are working on a 4L85E 2007 Chevy Silverado transmission. It's burnt. The burnt direct and forward clutches, done. Toast. Burnt like your mama's fish. Bad fish oil. So bad. It's smell-o-vision right here. But we're gonna overhaul it, replace all the parts that need to be replaced, and make it all brand new and be the best 4L85E transmission ever.
So you have some parts to clean.
Yeah, want to see?
Yeah, let's look at some of the carnage.
Look at all this. All bad.
Yeah, burnt. Burnt, burnt, burnt.
Burnt. Burnt up. Burnt.
So we should probably, oh yeah, a pile of, oh look at that oil, it's black.
Yeah, burnt. Burnt
Yeah.
fish.
Okay, well we better get going on it. So this is pretty easy, right? You tore it down, so.
Well, with help. Yes, but I
Just
tore it around.
with a
tore it
little
apart.
bit of instruction,
Yes.
not that much help.
Yes.
So.
And you should have saw it when we first got it. The thick grease and mud, at least half an inch to an inch thick. I cleaned all that too.
Yeah, you took care of that, didn't you?
Yes, I
So
did.
it doesn't get our parts washer all filthy.
Yep. So let's get to work. Let's wash the parts and make it brand new.
All right.
Mwah.